Hello friends, katal job ni notification te hastene jobs YouTube channel on orajutana lamsago finding kesang tini Government of Tripura Office of the Inspector General of Prison Directorate Tripura Agartala ni bisinte notification kaisa nailenai 15 September 2023 tarik ono okhormani o notification ka jara 2017 year jail police written examination qualified candidate tongnai roni bagai o notification Tripura High Court case tongmani High Court taibesa odarika written qualified candidate rongna interview lana bagai inke noro jara 2017 year jail police written examination qualify khaja tongnai ro tenor notification kaham khenai di finding kesang date of interview nalenai 22 September 2023 tarik Friday no interview lajaknai norokni tero time of interview jatongo first seat hinke 11 am ni simi te second seat hinke ro 2 pm ni simi no start oknai reporting time rejak tongo first seat ni bagai 10:30 am no norok reporting makhainai te second seat ni bagai 1:30 pm no norok reporting makhainai qualified candidates oni oro roll number eba admin number jak tongo first seat te second seat wise oro roll number jak tongo norok kaham khe nainai di hinke friends o notification te norok ni thani dawat tongke oro prison directorate ni phone number eba gmail rojak tongo norok oro contact khaino notification full details no singkai namano hinke friends nor nugui mankana Government of Tripura Office of the Inspector General of Prison ni bisingtei katal interview ni notification o mahai katal job ni notification naina bagai hasteni jobs YouTube channel no subscribe khlai sabro khai di tei katal job ni notification nugui mannai।